Hey everyone, Allie G with Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation. Oh my God, the pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19, crazy times in the world, crazy times in our local community. Want to thank all the frontline essential employees as well as the first responders for everything that they are doing to keep us safe, keep us fed, keep us from getting our groceries, keep us, doing your absolute best to keep us safe. And I applaud you for that. Thank you for that. And I also want to talk about the people that we lost to COVID-19. If you have lost a loved one, we send our condolences out to you. We send our love and our prayers and giving you strength to get through this. And also want to talk about the people that are fighting the battle currently, whether you're in the hospital or you're quarantined at home. We are praying for you every day for you to get better. With that being said, Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation has been contacted by numerous people looking for masks. They're impossible to get. And even when you can get the materials, you can't get all the materials such as elastic. So we have been doing our best to mass produce masks. We are making some with the filter insert, which is this one right here. And we are making hundreds of just the regular ones. These don't have the elastic on them because we too are waiting for a shipment of elastics. We've made bigger ones, we've made smaller ones. We have children's size. And why is that important? Because I have a 10-year-old child and I want her safe as well. So today I'm going to show you how to make a couple of masks, couple different ways, couple different styles, and show you what we're giving out to the community. When I tell you we have numerous requests, we have hundreds of requests for masks. We are giving masks to veterans. We are giving masks to people that need the extra support because they have compromised immune systems. We are doing the best that we can as fast as we can. I'm a one-person show here with my handy-dandy sewing machine, and I have to give a disclosure. I am not a sewer. I have no clue what I am doing other than watching a couple YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you what we can do with some bandanas and what we can do with some good old-fashioned fabric that I had laying around. So come take a ride with me, if you will, and let's put some masks together. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is with a plain old bandana. All I'm going to do is fold it over repeatedly to the end. Flip it over so my crease is on the inside. You're going to fold it into thirds at this point, but you want them to overlap. Now an iron, if you want to be technical, you can use an iron, but for a demonstration purpose, I'm just going to show you what you can do. So you're going to put your hair tie, actually. An elastic would work too on each end. Fold it over. So the elastics is what you're going to use behind your ears. You're going to tuck this end into the other. Grab a safety pin if you have it, and you're going to pin it from the inside. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. The fabric is a little thick, so I'm having a little trouble getting it through. There we go. Kind of just to hold it in place. Now you have it like this, and ways that you can do the elastic. I made a little pocket here in this fabric where you could bring it in and put behind your ears. But I am hearing lately that the ears are getting really raw from wearing the masks. So I'm gonna take the easy way out, and I'm gonna cut a 15-inch elastic, and I'm gonna sew it from one end to the other so you could pull it behind your head like that. That way, saves your ears a little bit. And that, my friends, is the simplest way on how to make a mask. Again, not the most attractive thing in the world, not the best sewer in the world, but it does its job. So to save the ears, put it around your head, put it over your face like this. You can adjust that by simply tying a knot to make it fit your face and head a little bit better. Basic masks, it's what the world needs. Have a great day, stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, stay home. Let's save some lives together. Let's end this pandemic. Bye, everyone.